Honorable Principal, respected teachers, and my dear class fellows, today I have an opportunity to express my feelings about my hero. Dear friends, my hero is as great and kind as an angel. I am proud of my hero. I am proud of being one of his followers. He is the last prophet of Islam, Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Dear audience, as you know, Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam is a great figure in the world and one of the most influential people humanity has ever witnessed. His words and deeds greatly affected human thoughts and behavior throughout the history. He was a religious teacher, a great father, a wonderful husband, a faithful friend, an excellent guide, a strong believer, social and political reformer, and the best companion. Dear fellows, I love him more than myself because of his special status in our religion. My beloved Prophet was the last Prophet of Allah. He was born in Mecca in the year 570. He was orphan, so he was raised by his uncle Abdul Muttalib. Honorable Principal, my beloved Prophet was illiterate, and the most of people at that time were illiterate too. But he was famous for being truthful, trustworthy, confident, and generous. He used to help the poor by giving them charity. He never told a lie, so people called him trustworthy. At 40, Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam received his first revelation from Allah through the angel Jibreel. He was afraid, but his wife Hazrat Khatija radhiyallahu ta'ala anha took him to his cousin Warqa bin Nawfal, who told Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam that he going to be prophet. Dear fellows, he and his followers suffer from unbelievers who tried to hurt them. Allah allowed them to immigrate from Mecca to Medina in the year 622. Some years later, Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam and his followers became strong and were able to return to Mecca and to conquest it. After the death of Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, Islam spread to remote lands in the world. Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam is up to now a perfect example of honesty, fairness, mercifulness, compassion, faith, courage, and commitment. An exceptional, truthful human being in the breed. Many famous figures recognized him as an important person in the history of mankind. Some of these are well-known writers and readers: Bernard Shaw, Lamartine, and Gandhi, etc. Thanks all of you.